Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into your Work Guru account. Firstly, open up your preferred web browser and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's type Work Guru login and then hit enter. Make sure you tap into the official website, which should be on the top of the results. When you are greeted with the login page, all you need to do now is fill in the empty fields. Type in your email or username associated with your account and your password. If you want this page to remember you and keep you signed in, you can tap the little square box to mark it. For now, let's leave it and check. And if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forget Password option. And there's also an option to sign in with 0. Once you've typed in your credentials, tap the login button. You will be logged in to your Work Guru account. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.